In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your source branch in Vercel. First, open your Vercel dashboard and select the project you want to update. Click on the three dots next to your project name and choose Settings. Inside Settings, go to the Environment section on the left side and click on Production. Here, you'll see Branch Tracking. This is the branch Vercel automatically deploys whenever you push new code to your Git repository. By default, it's usually set to Main, but you can change it to any branch you want. For example, if you have a development branch for testing updates before going live, type the branch name here. Once you've entered the branch, click Save. Vercel will now automatically deploy from your new branch instead of Main. And that's all it takes to change your source branch and control which branch gets deployed automatically. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Vercel and web deployment tutorials.